In details, what we do here in the Scientific Computing Research Unit, we simulate the system of the cells to target a specific disease, let's say cancer or any infectious disease. So we study it at the network level and we select our targets of this signaling pathways, and we simulate the reaction where the activity, the apparent activity of that pathway takes place. And then we try to irrationally design a drug that targets this mechanism. So this simulation part takes place on that side. For us here, we receive this information, now we try to validate it. So we first produce the enzymes or the proteins in the cells. So we use the E. coli, Escherichia coli, the bacteria, or the human kidney cells as factories to produce our cloned enzymes. And the organic team, chemistry team, they produce the molecules, the candidate inhibitors, and they pass them to us so that we screen in vitro or in tubes the effect of those molecules on our in-house produced enzymes. Once they pass this test, the screening, then we move to the cellular level, and then we validate this functionality inside the cells and see how this actually affects the physiology of the cells, or whether it generates the desired phenotype or effect that we are looking for. So that's briefly what we do. Okay, so the biggest motivation is pursuing the passion of understanding how life works and the fundamentals and basics of life, and how this small molecules interact at this very low level and generate all this complex system that we have. And that was my main focus, which is systems biology approach to treat and deal with diseases and apparent cellular functions. My highlight is, I would say, is the cooperative environment in the place, and this comprehensive pipeline of work. It's very rarely to find it in academia, to find a place that operates at practical and focus on the implication actually.